say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a tremendous round of applause for Matthew Woody and that excellent rendition of our national anthem. And let that extend as well to Josh Sherrard, Jeff Smith, and Tommy Daughtry. They are the Remax skydiving team. Well, with our jumpers safely on the ground, our air show action begins in a very grand way as we welcome that of Leland Crouch.